What goes up when rain comes down?
Stop.
Umbrellas. What room do ghosts avoid?
Stop.
Living room. What has 4 fingers and a thumb but is not alive?
Stop.
Glove. The more I appear, the less you see. What am I?
Stop.
Darkness. Where do fish keep their money?
Stop.
The riverbank. What 7 letters word has hundreds of letters in it?
Stop.
Mailbox. What dress does everyone have, but no one wears?
Stop.
An address. What occurs once in a minute, twice in a moment, and never in 1,000 years?
Stop.
M. What goes up and down, but never moves?
Stop.
Stairs. What is a kangaroo's favorite year?
Stop.
Leap year. What building has the most stories?
Stop.
Library. What can be larger than you without weighing anything?
Stop.
Shadow. Say my name and I am no more.
Stop.
Silence. Forwards, it's heavy, but backwards, it's not?
Stop.
Ton. What's in the beginning and the end, but not in the middle?
Stop.
N. What can you hold in your right hand, but never in your left hand?
Stop.
Your left hand. What English word sounds the same, even after you take away 4 of its 5 letters?
Stop.
Q. I am the only organ in the human body that gave itself its own name. What am I?
Stop.
Brain. What does everyone know how to open, but not how to close?
Stop.
An egg. What can you catch but cannot throw?
Stop.
A cold. I run all around the field but never move. What am I?
Stop.
A fence. Poor people have it. Rich people need it. If you eat it, you die. What is it?
Stop.
Nothing. What has 6 faces, 21 eyes but cannot see?
Stop.
Dice. I travel all over the world, but always stay in my corner. What am I?
Stop.
A stamp. You go at red, but stop at green. What am I?
Stop.
A watermelon. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you.